How to align objects in Photopea. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can align objects in Photopea. So let's go right into it. The first step is to log into your Photopea account and then select your project. And then once you want to align the object, for example, let's say that there are shapes. So I'm just going to draw out the shapes now. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so once you have these shapes here and then you would want to align them, that is to be together, the first step is to click on transform controls. Then once you click on transform controls, select all of the highlight all of the object at once. All right, before then I would want to lock this background to avoid moving it instead. So just go ahead and then highlight the image, that is each of the objects that you want to align. But before you highlight it, the first thing is to select the three objects. All right, so to select them multiply, just long press on shift and then click on them this way. And then once you've clicked on them, you can now highlight them together. Yeah, so once you've highlighted it, the next step is to go to the top part of the screen where you can see some icons here, and then next is just to select these icons represent alignment, so just select it the way you want. Center, vertical, as you can see it has been changed, they are now all vertical. And then if you want it to be aligned at top edges, just click on it and they will do that as well, as you can see. And then if you want to change their direction, you can just change it to the vertical position. And then once you change them to vertical position, go back to the top part of the screen again and then just click on center horizontally and they will do that. Currently they are already horizontal, that is why it came together. But if they are vertical, you can just click on center horizontally and they will restructure. It is that simple. Okay, this is how you can align objects in Photopea. Thanks for watching.